Now demonstrate how to install the inlet and outlet hoses. Step 1. Mount the sensor to the wall. Step 2. Connect the power supply. Remove the cover of the socket, insert the power plug and tighten the nut. Step 3. Install the outlet hose. Connect the outlet hose to the water outlet and rotate it vigorously a few times. Step 4. Install the inlet hose. Insert the water inlet hose into the water inlet by gently pressing it. After installing the water inlet and outlet hoses, open the water valve switch. If there is a flow meter, adjust the flow rate of it. To remove the water inlet hose, press the water inlet and pull out the hose. To remove the outlet hose, simply pull it out gently.